Creativity is like a fragile flower. It's easy to squash it because there are countless ways to go about it. A common trap for UI designers is stifling their own creativity by not allowing themselves to explore unique and innovative solutions. Mastering this can unlock your true potential, skyrocket your value as a designer, make you more competitive, and ultimately boost your earnings. I always emphasize this point to my students and team: prioritize creativity. The mantra is simple: creativity first, then structure. It means you shouldn't rush into setting up a strict framework before the visual concept is fully baked. This is especially true for UI designers, who are often close to engineering and might be tempted by the structured tools of the trade, like Figma. While Figma's features are awesome, knowing when to use them is crucial. With 20 years of experience as a UX UI designer, I've navigated from total creative freedom to strict guidelines and back. One key takeaway is that the timing and manner of integrating structure into your design can make a huge difference in the outcome. Take Figma's Auto Layout feature, for example. It's a fantastic tool for arranging elements and resizing them within a frame, perfect for making responsive buttons or managing lists. Pairing it with the component feature lets you create functional, easy-to-manage design elements. Sounds pretty cool, right? However, if you bring in Auto Layout too early, you might box in your creativity and make future modifications harder. It's like putting on handcuffs before you've even figured out what you want to build. You should let your ideas flow freely at first, without constraints that could stifle your creative process. So, when should you start using structural elements like Auto Layout? Only after your project's concept is clear and well developed. This ensures your design remains flexible and you don't compromise on creativity. Make sure your entire project is at a similar stage of development before adding any structure. If some parts aren't fleshed out, it's too soon to impose any rigid frameworks on other areas. And designing in stages is essential. If you start mixing stages, they might clash, prolonging the project and diluting the quality of the final product. That's why at our agency we adhere strictly to using only basic elements in UX wireframes. No text alignment, no rounded corners, not even moving shapes by a pixel. Check out our video, UX Must Be Ugly, to see how this approach streamlines the process.